You can get the baby and you can do CPR.
We are in the CTE building at Waco High, and I am excited to start teaching the disaster response class.
You got to make a complete seal around the mouth.
I have about 90 kids throughout the day. The disaster response is a prerequisite for students to get into the Future Heroes Academy. The Future Heroes Academy is going to be coming to Waco High the fall of 2024. When students are enrolled in that program, they will be able to actually obtain an EMT license before graduating high school, and one semester after high school, they can get their fire license. Disaster response class is really a great opportunity for students to prepare for a storm or tornado.
1, 2, 3.
I have about one presenter coming every month. Today, Officer Aguilar came to teach our students about CPR.
It means a lot that they're taking their time to come over here and teach us how to do all this.
We're hopeful that with the Future Heroes Academy that they're interested in attaining their EMT license. And so I think the more exposure we give them with first responders, the more likely they will be to get into the field. We have field trips planned out to go to MCC to visit the Fire Academy.
I just feel like it can definitely inspire more students to, go into fields of medical use too.
It's 5 cycles of 30 to 2.
The kids had 100% engagement. They were taking notes. Officer Aguilar did a really good job of allowing them to demonstrate. They had a hands-on experience. Even if they choose not to get into first responder, I have future teachers, lifeguards. This is a really good opportunity for them to see how they can save a life one day.